Hi everyone, it's Tara. So I am back to share with you a few things I picked up from Michaels today. All of their We Are Memory Keepers typecast items were ringing up 90% off, and my store was fully stocked because they never put out a clearance sign, so I guess people thought that they were regular price, but no, they are ringing up 90% off. So that was pretty awesome. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is this Art Minds Symmetry Wire Word. This whole line is also 90% off, so I got this for 29 cents. I really wish I would have got more, but I was on my lunch break and trying to hurry up, and so I just picked up this one, and when I went back after work, the lady was bagging this whole line up and putting them in grab bags. But I thought that was a great deal for 29 cents, so I got that. I did pick up the 8.5 by 11 paper, and at the end of the video I'm going to do like a fast play flip through because I know this has been around a while, and you guys may have already seen it, but I will flip through it. So I got this, and this was 99 cents. I also got the 12 by 12 paper pad, and this was ringing up for $1.99. So that is an amazing deal for gold foiled paper, as pretty as this is. And like I said, I'll do a flip through and I'll put it in fast play at the end of the video if you're interested in seeing that. Okay, if I do open up any packages, because some of the stuff is different on the inside than what you see, you know, they have just different designs, I will put it in fast play just so I don't take all year to show you this stuff. Okay, I did get the desk pad, and this rang up 99 cents. So all of these tags rang up either 39 cents or 49 cents. So those are the tags and journaling cards that I got. Also got these labels, and these rang up 29 cents, as well as these envelopes, these vellum envelopes, and these rang up, I believe, 49 cents, and they come with the string and then this little thing here to make the envelope look like this. So I also got these treat bags, and these were ringing up at either 39 or 49 cents. 6 pieces, and these are like the glassine bags. You get the labels as well, and the craft style. Again, I'm not sure, either 39 or 49 cents, and all of them look like that with the labels. And then I also got this style here, and I'll open them up so you can see the different styles. I also picked up these postcards, and these were ringing up at 49 cents, I believe. I also got these cards and envelopes, and again, I believe these were 49 cents. Got this cute notepad, and these have different styles. I also got this notepad, and these are different styles as well. And this one and this one we're ringing up at 99 cents. And lastly, I picked up the pack of notebooks. These rang up for 99 cents. You get 2 in the package. So that is it for my 90% off haul. I hope you guys are able to find these. This is an amazing deal. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.